What are we making, kids?
Damper!
G'day and welcome to another episode of Adventure Cook-Ups on Every Road Adventures. Tonight, we're going to make up... What are we making, kids?
Damper!
That's what goes with the roast. Got the roast on the camp oven, cooking, so we need to make a damper to go with it. Alright, damper, real easy. Flour, bit of salt, some milk. Don't need much more. So, can you pass me the flour, Caleb?
Sure thing, Dad.
Alright, I don't know. We're just going to rough it in about a cup. That'll do. Cup of self-raising flour. Pinch of salt. So we want just a little bit of salt. And then we just want some milk to go with it. Now all we've got to do is make it to a nice consistency. We don't want it too wet, we don't want it too dry.
A bit more milk.
Yeah, add some more milk.
Now mix it up with your hands.
Alright, once we get our consistency, so if you look at it, it's a bit claggy. Oh, ooey gooey.
But I want to get some ooey. Dad,
There you go.
I want to
Roll it around.
Doesn't matter if you get messy.
Okay, so Kaylin wants to plait this damper.
That's a snake.
How do you plait? Now you just want to just little score marks
How do we want that?
because as the bread, because damper is effectively just a bread, as the bread expands, it would break open. Grab a little bit, sprinkle the bottom, sprinkle it, sprinkle. Alright, and she goes. Baste it with a bit of milk.
And we can
Put the lid on.
eat it. Well, and we can eat it, Dad.
Once it's cooked, dude. Now we just need to put it on the coals and cook it up until it's cooked. Grab some coals on the bottom, coals on top, and we'll just monitor that. Still a bit soft. One way we can tell that damper's cooked is hollow sound, like that. Another way, we can stick a fork in it, like so. If it comes out clean,
No, I want to see.
then it's cooked. Alright, so we've just cooked our damper. Now we get to do the best part of it, and that's cut it up and eat it. Serve it with lashings